Mr. Ye, can you tell me how your smoke evacuator works?
I'll be happy to. It all starts with the capture nozzle, which exerts a wider field of influence and is able to capture the smoke as it is produced. The multi-stage filter starts with the pre-filter, which takes out the large particulates and blood droplets, which, as you can see on the close-up, that it is brown, which represents the dried blood, which is the blood droplets that in the smoke that you smell but can't see until now. Then it goes through the hose into the main filter, and the M1 filter is the workhorse. This filter is rated for 16 hours, and as you can see with this cut through, the white part is the ULPA filter, which takes particulates down to 0.01 microns in size, and the black part represents the carbon that absorbs all the gases. The cut through also represents the pleated inner guts, which gives you longer life. And as the filter is used, and the timer is set for 16 hours to correspond to one main filter, as the time is close, the filter light will start to flash as I'm simulating here. And through that flashing, it's telling you to have a M filter ready. There's a secondary system, however, which is what we call the full filter alert. And I'm simulating the full filter alert by not letting any airflow through. And as you can see, the motor is whining and the light is flashing. This is when you know the filter is completely full. Simply pull it out of the cabinet and take a new filter, remove the red plug, place it on the old filter, throw it in your biohazard waste, and you're completely protected. The new filter goes in. We recommend that you put in a new hose when you put in the M1 filter, because over time this hose will turn brownish from the products of smoke. Then you have to push the filter reset button, which resets the clock to 16 hours. We have a second filter called the M2 filter. The M2 filter is designed for special use for long procedures such as laser hair removal, where you're trying to remove the gases and the odors, or also for the fractionated lasers like erbium and CO2. This will give you 16 hours of erbium, but it's rated for 32 hours for everything else. So through this multi-stage filter of pre-filter, main filter, and charcoal filter, you've completely eliminated the particulates, the blood droplets, and the gases. And that's the Acu-Evac.